How to fix app stopped working and crashing on your Android device. So if an app is constantly crashing, what you need to do is just go ahead and tap on the app and click on its settings. Then you can see the force stop sign on the bottom right hand side. You can click on force stop. Then go to storage. After you go to storage, just go ahead and click on the clear cache. The cache will be deleted, and then click on clear data. Go ahead and tap on delete. Try opening the app. It might start working. If it is still not working, I suggest you to reinstall the app. Go ahead and uninstall it, install it again from the Play Store, and try opening it. It might start to work again. So it's quite easy. Just go ahead and tap on the app, go to its settings, and you can see the force stop sign. Just go ahead and tap on force stop. Then just go ahead and go to its settings where you can clear the storage and data. After you do that, the work will be done. So this is how easy it is to fix the apps which is not opening on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.